All right, hello and welcome. Brett here with ClickMail. In this video, we're going to talk about one way of gathering data that can help you identify the most fruitful way and eliminate ways that are not as fruitful for your business or your ministry. And this is called a split test. And I'm pulling this from marketing. Obviously, we do a lot of marketing here at ClickMail. And a split test is when we test two approaches at the same time. So for example, if I were to say, want to try a new service and we want to start a service to Christian counselors for marketing. And so we created all of the web pages and we created the articles and we started running people into these pages to see if we can get clients to do marketing for Christian therapists. Well, what is the split test? The split test is how well does all of our existing strategies work? And we could put percentages on that, and we could put, other measurements of success there. What's the gross revenue? How many clients on average do they come in? What's the average monthly value of a client? What do they pay on an average month? And then say we give it 6 months max for this new test with this new client base and see if they're coming in. And if they come in, great. What's the average monthly income from one of these clients? How long does it take them to come in? And so how long do they usually stay? And so we can start assessing, comparing the new test, splitting to the old baseline, and we can start to see, is this better or is it less better? Is it less fruitful than what we have to start with? And if it's way better, oh, well, let's see if we can grow that. And if it will grow, then we're going to start cutting the old stuff and say, well, this is working so much better. Let's consider that. Again, assuming it's in line with the vision. We shouldn't even try it unless it's in line with the vision. Now, alternatively, if it's worse, we say, okay, is there a way we can optimize it? Is there something we're missing? We critical think it and say, is there something that could be done to improve it? And, again, within 6 months, Craig Groeschel in the book It, right here, who's a ministry leader over a very large group of churches. I think at this point, he's probably got well over 50 churches, all of which I think are mega churches. He says 90 days. And so if you cannot show that it's a fruitful ministry and even possibly more fruitful on average than your baseline, then you cut it and you burn it and you move on. And again, I'm calling from the passage of I am the vine and you are the branches, and whoever does not remain in me, I will not remain in you. And I prune the branches and cut them off and throw them into the fire. Okay, so if God does that with the church, shouldn't we be willing to do that with our own businesses and ministries to maintain their fruitfulness in the direction of the vision God's called us to? And so the data can help to indicate that. And in this video, we're talking about a split test. You're testing two options to see which one's more fruitful, and then you're eliminating the one that is less fruitful, whichever one that is. And this can be done with advertisements. You have two advertisements. Which one brings in more people into your ministry? Which one is getting more people into your business? This can be done with blogs. This can be done with services, whole services. Which one meets the needs of the client better? So this is called split testing, and this will also help you to make decisions on what to eliminate with your data when you can compare one to another and see very clear indicators of success and which is better. Any thoughts or questions, team?
No.
Okay,
It
great.
was okay.
Okay, awesome.
No, I don't think so.
All right, good deal. Well, we will see you in the next video. God bless.